Blending that out with my, ooh girl, shade Wanderlust. Wanderlust? Yeah. Shade Wanderlust? Huh? Don't mind the eyelash on my palette. Alright you guys, we are back and better than ever with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm showing you guys this olive smoky vibe I have going on today. Clearly I am feeling the olive look. I definitely love using greens in fall and winter and just in the holiday festive season. I just feel like there's something about it that is very holiday appropriate. Today's video is a quick beat video, so I already have my face makeup done. I'm just showing you guys the eye and the lip look. If you guys are interested in seeing any other of my quick beat videos, I will have that linked in a playlist down below. I just said that so quick. It's been a really long day. I'm really tired. Moving on, what's next? Right. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this look, then just keep watching. So for my transition area today, I'm just going to dip into my Sultry palette. There's a shade in here called Twig, which I absolutely love. It is a very nice neutral medium tone brown shade or lighter brown shade. So with my skin tone, it works really well to mimic my crease and kind of just add a nice bit of depth and definition, but it's also not too warm, so it's not like I'm just gonna completely turn this look into a warm look. I'm trying not to do that, so I'm just going to take that shade Twig on my JH31 brush and I'm going to put this into my crease and slightly blend it up towards my transition shade. Now I'm going to dip into my Born to Run palette. You guys know how much I love this palette. I do have a bunch of videos up with this, so if you are interested in seeing those, I will have them linked below. Picking up my JH41 brush, I am going to take the shade Wanderlust and I am going to put that all over my lid and blend that out. I really want this look to just be a simple, all over blown out smoky eye. Then I'm just going to switch back to my JH41 brush and then just kind of blend this shade around the edges just to make sure that there's a nice seamless blend from that crease to that lid area. I don't want there to be any kind of separation. I want everything to kind of just blend into one. So I'm really trying to focus on patting that onto the lid because this is a shimmery shade and it's also a darker shade. There's going to be fallout, and since I have my face done, I don't want to ruin my face makeup. So by patting this product onto the lid rather than swiping it around, I'm just minimizing the amount that's going to fall onto my cheek. I will be using the shade Noir from my Sultry palette with my JH36 brush. I'm just going to put this onto the very outer corner and then very slightly bring it into that crease area just so that there's no separation between the shadows. This is just going to help to deepen up this look. This is not necessary, however, like I said, I just want to add more drama. And then I'm also going to smudge that along my lash line with a flat shader brush just to help to conceal the lash band when we use falsies later. I am going to put a quick coat of my Nars Climax Mascara onto my lashes. And then I will be applying my Trace Chic lashes in the style Queen. This is my new favorite pair of lashes when I'm doing dramatic looks. They're mink too, so they're gonna last like 15 to 20, even 25 times, honestly. When I take good care of my lashes, I do notice I can stretch them past that 20 wear limit. If you guys are interested in trying out any of the Trace Chic lashes, you can use the code BROOK20 at checkout to save 20%. Now I'm going to be putting my Lipstick Queen eyeliner in the shade Depth of Field onto my lower lash line, and then I will be blending that out with that Wanderlust shade. I'm going to be picking up the shade Pearl from my Sultry palette, and with my JH39 brush, I am going to put that into my inner corner and on my brow bone. I am just going to put a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. I am going to line my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Backseat Love, and then I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. Alright you guys, so this completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in seeing any of my other quick beat videos, I will have that linked in a playlist down below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited, and I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that, and also click that bell button so you get notified when I post. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.